Best dishwash bar in India. Number 5. Patanjali Super Dishwash Bar 225 gram. Buy 3 get 1. Approx price 70 rupees. Organic dishwashing bar. 100% natural ingredients. Lemon combined with wood ash naturally acts as a superior cleansing and disinfecting agent. This soap doesn't contain any artificial additives. Number 4. Whoosh Action Plus Dishwash Lemon Tulsi Power Bar Tub with Scrubber 700 gram. Pack of 2. Approx price 220 rupees. Soft hand. Free scrubber inside this pack. Removes tough grease with least efforts. Zero wastage due to round shape. Number 3. Prill Bar 400 grams. Set of 3. Approx price 120 rupees. Removes grease with great ease. Contains active power boosters that gives more cleaning power to bar. Removes malodor from utensils. Makes dishwashing an easy job. Has goodness of lime that leaves utensils fresh post cleaning. Number 2. Exo Bar 300 gram. Set of 4. Approx price 54 rupees. Exo Dish Shine Bar makes your vessels aromatic and removes dirty. Keeps utensils spotless and fresh. This dishwashing bar does not leave traces on the vessel and hence it can be simply washed. Number 1. Vim Fresh Lemon Dishwash Bar 200 gram. Combo pack of 3. Approx price 80 rupees. It provides refreshing lemon fragrance during dishwash. It can be used on all kinds of utensils. Vim Dishwash Bar has the power of 100 lemons. Vim Dishwash Bar is the number 1 dishwash brand in India. It has a unique patented plastic coating at the bottom which prevents it from soaking quickly and makes it last longer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.